Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Café.
Hi, listeners. We're so happy you joined us again. Grab your coffee, your notebook, or your comfortable chair.
Yes, sit back and relax, because today we have a super useful word.
Especially if you work in an office, study, or just have a busy life.
Exactly. Today's word of the day is the word productive.
Being productive means getting a lot of good work done in a smart and efficient way. Not just being busy, but actually accomplishing things.
And today, we're giving you 200 example sentences using the word productive.
Emma will say one, then I'll say one, back and forth, all the way to 200.
Let's begin.
200 sentences using productive.
I feel most productive early in the morning.
A to-do list always keeps me productive.
A clean desk helps me stay productive.
Music makes some people more productive.
Drinking water keeps my mind productive.
Turning off notifications keeps me productive.
Good sleep makes the next day more productive.
I like starting my day with a productive mindset.
Short breaks help me stay productive for longer.
A healthy breakfast sets me up for a productive morning.
Planning my day ahead keeps me productive.
A supportive team keeps me productive at work.
Meditation helps me enter a productive mindset.
Good communication makes the team productive.
Journaling in the morning makes me productive.
Group work can be very productive.
A weekly plan keeps my schedule productive.
Healthy habits make every day productive.
A good night's sleep makes my day productive.
A balanced workload keeps me productive.
A clean kitchen makes my day feel productive.
A distraction-free zone keeps me productive.
A tidy room helps me stay productive.
A quiet cafe can be a productive place.
A neat desk keeps me productive.
A soft playlist makes my work productive.
Soft lighting makes my space productive.
A clean digital space helps me stay productive.
A scented candle helps me stay productive.
A tidy home office boosts my productivity.
A positive attitude helps me stay productive.
A good mindset helps me maintain productivity.
I feel productive when I avoid multitasking.
Consistency makes my days more productive.
A calm mind always leads to productive work.
A focused mindset helps me be more productive.
A clear vision makes me productive.
Good motivation leads to a productive day.
A positive mindset increases my productivity.
A strong start leads to a productive finish.
Using a planner makes my day productive.
A digital calendar helps me stay productive.
Setting reminders helps me stay productive.
Time blocking keeps my work productive.
Reviewing my notes keeps me productive.
A good workflow keeps me productive.
Reviewing goals helps me stay productive.
A clear calendar helps me stay productive.
A fresh notebook inspires my productive days.
A set routine helps me remain productive.
Drinking water often keeps my brain productive.
Healthy snacks keep me productive all day.
A good shower prepares me for a productive day.
A short nap refreshes my productive energy.
A quick stretch boosts my productive energy.
Movement breaks keep my body productive.
A gentle morning stretch helps me be productive.
A healthy breakfast boosts my productive flow.
A warm drink helps my brain feel productive.
A warm morning sun keeps me productive.
And that is our word of the day. Productive.
We hope these examples help you use the word confidently at work, school, or in your daily routine.
Try making your own sentence with the word productive today.
Thank you for joining us at Everyday English Café.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep being productive.
Goodbye.